guys, me and owner 1 is we are we haven't posted in a while, but we're fidget trading. So these are my fidgets.
There's her fidgets.
These are my fidgets, and these are owner 1's fidgets. All out in a line. So put one out first, owner 1. Make sure you put it out in the middle so all of the people can see. Okay, that. What about this? Okay, I'm gonna put out my infinity cube. I'll put out you. Sure.
How many do you have to put out?
2.
Oh. Do I need to grab any more?
No. Actually, I'll just grab you. Elena approved your follow request. Okay. There. So your turn to put something out first. Okay. What time is it?
I don't know. It is 11 o'clock.
Okay, what are you going to put out?
I'll put out these noodles.
I'll put out this mini puppet.
Okay.
I'm putting out this. I'll put out... Okay, there you go. We basically just traded back. Okay, what are you going to put out?
I'm going to put out this waffle.
I'll put out these noodles.
I like these noodles. They're fun.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to put... Not that one. I'll put this one out. What are you going to put out? Globby. Yes. Guys, this is a real globble too. So, it says globble on it. Yeah, it says globbles. Okay.
The other ones are off-brand.
Yeah, these ones are off-brand, but they're still really good. Anyways, what are you going to put out?
So I'm going to put out... Have I not put out the mochi?
I'll put out the mochi.
Okay.
We both always trade mochis. They're like good luck charms.
Yeah.
Actually,
I have nothing good for that.
just give me all your fidgets.
No. Except for most is 2. I'll give you those 2.
Sure.
Just.
She got my favorite fidget. What are you going to put out? Pop it.
As I'm just silent.
Sorry, that's my Nito. Yeah, it was this Nito.
Yeah, she was playing with it.
Yeah, and then I like squeezed it, and it made a fun noise. Did I put this out? Could you add something? Sure. You have yourself a deal. I have a lot of globbles over here.
Well, let's start over. So then the first one to lose are their fidgets.
Okay.
So you can only add in 2.
Did you have this before?
I had these 2. Yeah. No. Yes. No.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
These are the ones I had before.
Yeah.
Oh, you have your... Don't forget these.
Oh yeah, those are. Now I have 8.
What? I have 8
now. Because remember I gave away 2 and then you got me another one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll take this back. Actually, put your least favorite away. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, we're going to make another part soon. But I just wanted to, let y'all know that we were posting. So, yeah, bye.